One of the best things I heard this week is from this woman named Lynn Twist. She's the founder of the Soul of Money Institute, and she describes beliefs in such a powerful way. She says, subconscious beliefs is not what you think, but from where you think. Let that sink in. Many times we're just not aware of these beliefs because it's so ingrained in our minds that it's just the way that we see the world. It's the way that we see ourselves, and it's the way that we see other people, because these assumptions and judgments and opinions that we make comes from this part of our mind that is already created and it's already made up. Like all of our opinions and assumptions already exists in this part of our mind. Thankfully, we know now with neuroscience that nothing is fixed. Our brain is plastic, not literally, but it just means that it's flexible and it's capable of change. And all we have to do is repeat a new story enough times for our brain to make that our new normal. And if you want to learn how to do that with EFT tapping, check out my new tapping bundle. It's called Magnetic Goddess, and it's all about healing these deep-rooted stories and beliefs that have been dictating our lives and possibly stopping us from living the life that we truly desire and deserve. I love tapping because it shifts your energy so fast, so easily. Like in just 1 or 2 tapping sessions, you can already immediately feel these shifts. So check that out. I have other tapping courses as well, but do the work. It's so possible to live the life that you desire and to release all these blocks that you might have created back in childhood, and not even with your consent. But now you know better. You know there are tools to help you become the version that you desire to be. And honestly, it's not that far off from who you are now. Trust me, once you release the blocks, you will realize that the true and the most authentic part of you has always been there. And it feels natural to be this person. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.